it's fully aerobatic. That American influence was because American engineers were working for ASIA to support licensed production of the Northrop 8A1 attack bomber and the North American NA-16 trainer, though most of them left Sweden when war broke out. This was conceived as a reconnaissance and army cooperation aircraft. It was also developed as a dive bomber. And when you saw it take off, you'll have seen it's got huge fairings on the front of the undercarriage legs. They look rather like cricketers' pads. They were intended to be dive brakes, but they were rarely used in practice. SAAB themselves developed a bomb-tossing device which made it unnecessary to put the aeroplane into a vertical dive. Pilots found that the B17, the bomber version, rarely reached the speed at which the dive brakes were needed. Perhaps not surprisingly, because they were things such as the Hawker Hart biplane. The first of them, S-17BLs for the reconnaissance role, were delivered to F3 wing of the Swedish Air Force at Malmslätt in February 1942, and then F2 wing at Haganäs received them, flying maritime reconnaissance and naval cooperation missions. They flew long-range patrols of the Baltic, as well as convoy escorts and anti-submarine patrols. The B-17A bomber model, like this, came into service with F4 wing at Östersund in 1944. Final pass. There were also occasions when